I don't have to figure out nothing. Thank you, Lord, because I don't think I pray. Proverbs 3, 5, and 6 says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not rely on your own understanding. And think about him in all your ways, and he will guide you on the right path. That's the Holman Christian Standard Version. So remember, stop trying to figure it out. Dump the stress, renew your mind. Seek God this day, for he will direct your path. Remember, today is a new day. So even if you weren't listening to God on yesterday, let's start today on the right foot.